Hey you guys, hi, I'm Poulomi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel, and if you've already been there with me from my recent past, then no introduction is basically needed. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular Morbi Canberry eye makeup look. Today is the day 6 of the Holiday Glam Christmas look series that I am basically going through. As we all know, the year is just about to end, and this is a particular season for the festive party, night outs, whatnot. So basically in my Holiday Glam series, today is the day 6, and today I have come up with a very glam, very festive oriented look, which is very, Morbi and Canberry kind of look. So if you want to know how I achieve this particular eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. And if you want to know how I achieve this particular base makeup look, please head on to my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @Poulomi_Mimi, and from there you can check out this particular base makeup routine. So now, without any wasting of your valuable time, let's dive into the video. So now, as you can already see, that I'm totally done with my base makeup and I have prepped and primed my eyelids. So now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some loose powder under my eyes, so that if there is any fallout, it catches it and I just don't get my base makeup ruined. And to do that, I'm taking my loose powder, which is from the brand Maybelline, the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 20 light medium. So taking this a particular loose powder over here, I'm going to give it a nice backward tap, and then I'm just going to take the powder, take a loose powder brush, and I am just going to So basically I have been doing a Christmas series on my channel, and if you are dropping in for the very first time, then if you want, you can check out all my other previous videos from here. I'm just going to click all my videos over here, so if you want to check them out, you can check out from the I button over there. So now when I'm done with my under eyes, I'm just taking the brush with whatever product is in there. I'm just swiping it through my eyelids to set it. So now at this point, when I'm done with everything, I'm just going to go and grab my first palette, and the very first palette that I'm going to choose right now is going to be from my Morphe X James Charles palette. This very particular palette, it is one of my favorite palettes, and taking this beautiful palette over here, and very versatile, very pigmented, everything is good about this palette. I'm just going to take this beautiful brownish color over here, and taking this beautiful brown color, I am going to put it onto my crease and eyelids. I'm going to place this color onto my transition, and I am going to obviously place some other colors over it. I'm just, right now I'm just creating that initial boundary and guideline for my look. I'm taking another dip, dusting off the excess. I am placing it onto my inner corners. Today's look is going to be a halo look, because I haven't created any of the halo eyed look in a while, or for this Christmas series. So I thought of creating this look as a halo look, because I know a lot of you guys just love watching halo eyed tutorials, because obviously there are not many halo eyed looks. So now at this point, when I'm done with the brown shade from my James Charles palette, I'm just going to take another palette, and that particular palette is from Colourpuff Cosmetics, and this is my Colourpuff Cosmetics, it's my pleasure palette. And from this particular palette, I am going to take this beautiful Morbi color over here, which is called Slipper, and taking this beautiful color over here called Slipper, I am just going to put it onto this particular area of my eyes. So now at this point, when I'm done with that color from my Colourpuff Cosmetics, just my Luck palette, that sleeper color, I'm just going to go ahead and grab another palette, and that palette is from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. And taking this palette over here, I'm just going to take this maroonish red color over here called Maneater, and taking this color over here, I am just going to top it up with that purplish color. I'm taking this color onto the scene brush and I am placing it onto the scene area just to give the look a maroonish or a mauvish tint. So now at this point, when I am done with all the shades and the colors, I'm just going to clean up the middle portion of my eyes to give it that halo effect. And to give it that halo effect, I'm just going to take my concealer and clean up the middle portion of my eyes. And to do that, I'm taking my all-time favorite PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is this one, and it is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. So now at this point, when I'm done with my halo cut crease, I'm just going to grab my Colourpop Cosmetics It's My Pleasure palette all over again, and from this particular palette, I'm just going to take this beautiful color over here called Bare Minerals, and taking this color over here, I'm just going to put it onto that halo cut crease. So now at this point, when everything is nice and done, I'm just going to top this look with some glitters, because yes, this is my channel and I just cannot do without glitters. So yeah, I'm going to take my Colourpop Cosmetics Pressed Glitter palette, and taking this beautiful amazing palette over here, I'm going to grab, you know, like this beautiful color over here, which is basically this one, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take this color over here and I'm just going to put it over that metallic shade called Bare Minerals. So now at this point, when I'm done with that pressed glitter from my Colourpop Cosmetics glitter palette, I'm just going to go back towards the very first brown color which I took from my James Charles palette, and taking that color, I am just going to put it onto my lower lash line and blend it. So now at this point, when I'm done with that brown shade from my James Charles palette, I'm just going to take my Just My Luck palette from Colourpop Cosmetics, and from this particular palette, I'm going towards that slipper shade over here, and taking that shade, I am just putting it onto this. I'm just putting it onto my lower lash line and blending it. And now when I'm done with everything, I'm just going to curl my lashes and coat my lashes with some mascara. So I'm just, you know, curling my lashes and giving them a gentle lift. And curling your lashes brings I just curled my lashes, and I am just coating them with my mascara. So the mascara which I used just now is basically this one. So yeah, this is from Estee Lauder, which I used just now. So now when I'm done with everything, I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies, and I will be right back. So now I'm finally back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye. And for my falsies, today I'm wearing my PAC M74 lashes, which were basically this one. So yeah, I hopped them on, and on my lips I'm wearing my Lakme Absolute lip color, which is basically this one. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and it is in the shade 501 Dynamite Berry, and basically this is how the lip color actually looks like, which I'm wearing right now. This is a stunning lip color, very mauvey and dark and cool toned lip color. I just love wearing this one, especially with any look like this. So yeah, this is my today's look. I am done with today's look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting video. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all.